Hi friends, in today's session we are going to discuss about how to download Java into our system. So now I am going to download Java 8 from Oracle site. So download Java 8 from Oracle. So if I click this, so here you can able to see different hyperlinks. So the first one itself, which is from Oracle site. So we are going to download JDK, Java Development Kit. So the version is 8. So I'm selecting this hyperlink. So let me click this one. So if you go down, so here you will able to see all the Java development kits. So and here you are having different operating systems. So with respect to your operating system, you need to download the JDK into your system. So if you are using Linux, so these are the Linux related things. So if you are using Solaris, so here for Solaris, these are the what we need to download. And now Mac, if you are using Mac, so you need to download this JDK. So if you are using Linux, yes, these are the things, either of the one which is compatible to your operating system version, you need to download. Now, so if it comes to Windows, so these are the two options. So either you can download this JDK or this JDK. So if you look into this, so if you are using Windows 32-bit operating system, please download this. If you are using Windows 64-bit operating system, then download this. So I'm using Windows 64-bit operating system. So let me download this. Click on this. Now here a pop-up will come. So here you need to check this checkbox, and after that it will ask you to download. And if you click this button, so one more pop-up will be is going to come. So there, if you're not logged into your Oracle site, then it will ask you to log into that Oracle site. If you are not a registered user, then it will ask you to register. So it's a very easy. Just log in with your Gmail ID, create account, and log in with that one. Once after that, once you click this download button, the download will start automatically. So I have already downloaded that one. So let me go to my downloads, my computer, download. So I have downloaded JDK 8. So let me click this. Next. So this is the default location where your Java is going to install. So if you want to change, just click it here. But it's preferable to use the default location only. So C program files Java JDK 1.8. So this is the default location where it's going to install. So if you want to change, just click it change here, change the location and specify your preferred location. But it's preferably used to default location. Next. So it's downloading. So updating your computer component registration. So here also don't change anything. Next. So now it's installing your Java. So please don't change any file path. So take it as default. So whatever it's showing, use that one only. If you want to change, yes, you can change, but preferable it's preferred to use the default location. That is C program files slash Java. So your Java setup is in progress. So it's here it's showing. So still installation is in progress. Yes. So next. So if you want to see something documentation, so regarding the Java, yes, you can click next or else go to here, close. Now Java is installed into your system. So if you go to my computer and C drive and program files, so you will able to see Java. So, so this is my old one. So these are the two. Now it's installed. So let me delete this. So see now today only it's installed. So this is JDK, so Java Development Kit. So if you look into this JDK, so you'll have JRE, and so if you go to JRE, so here you will have some libraries and bin. And so this is your JDK, Java Development Toolkit. So if you want to work with your Java, so you need to have JDK. So if you go to bin, so here you will have your Java compiler. So if you look into this, so Java C. So what is your Java compiler? So Java C is your Java compiler. So here it is, see, this is your Java compiler. So in your development, if you are working with development, see this JRE is not at all required. JDK is enough because your JDK will internally contains JRE plus JVM plus bins. So if you want to compile your code, so then you need to have Java compiler, Java C, which is presented in your JDK bin. So now you install your Java. Now in your system environment variables, you need to set Java home, Java home. So till if you want to set so Java home where your Java is installed. So this is your Java home. And path. So you need to specify path also. Path. So till so path. So in which folder your Java compiler is there. So till that you need to specify in the path. So if you look into this, so where is your Java compiler? So Java C, which compiles your code into bytecode. So where is your Java compiler? So in the bin folder. So till here, so you need to specify the path. So this is your Java home and this is your Java path. So now go to your system. Currently I am using Java 7 operating system. So if you are using Java 10 also, same procedure. So now go to my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So see, I have already given Java home. So this is my Java home. So if you want to give, so go to here, new Java underscore home underscore home, and so don't type variable value. So go to the location. So Java home means still here you need to give. So copy it and OK, because I'm already having. So now I need to give the path. So go to here and edit the path, and you need to give your Java path. So here at last add semicolon and give your path. So Java path means so where your Java C means Java compiler is presented. Till that you need to give. So we have already discussed. So in the bin folder you will able to see your Java compiler. So that's why path means till bin you need to give. So here give it here. And now anyway I have already given, so I'm not disturbing anything now. So now my home and Java home and path are set. Now go to your command prompt cmd java minus version. See, I have installed Java 8 into my system and Java C. So Java compiler. Sorry. Java version is there, but Java C is not working. External internal commands. So once again, it is 1.8.0, but if I look into my computer properties, advanced environment variables. See, if I look into this, edit. So here I am having this, but here I am having 7.1. So that's why it's not working. So let me go to here. So give it this. Okay. Now I need to do the path. So this also I need to edit. Copy this, Control C and Control V. So where is my Java path? See, this is my path. Till bin I need to do. But if I look into my one, so my system, so it was this one, but there the version is different. So let me go to here to update this. So go to end. So now Control C. Now go to here, delete and copy. Okay. 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 Now CMD Java. See, Java is set now. So Java C, Java compiler is working. So and if I type Java hyphen VRSI version, now it is showing my Java version also. So this is the way you need to download and you need to install your Java into your system. So for that you need to set Java home and Java path. So if you are using Windows 10 operating system also, same process you need to follow. Thank you.